Hello, and welcome back to your own YouTube channel, Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Since the induction of Rafale jets in Indian Air Force, the balance of the air dominance has shifted towards India. It has given a major boost to India's air defense amid the ongoing Ladakh standoff with China. India has inked a deal worth $8.82 billion with Dassault Aviation for delivery of 36 Rafale jets. The Rafale is a 4.5 generation twin-engine omni-role, air supremacy, interdiction, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship and nuclear deterrence fighter aircraft equipped with a wide range of weapons. In July 2020, the first 5 jets arrived at the Ambala Air Force Station and were formally inducted into the 17 Squadron Golden Arrows in September. Till now, India has received 23 jets out of 36. Last week, the Indian Air Force raised the second squadron called 101 Falcons of Chamb and Akhnur before their formal induction at Hasimara Air Base in West Bengal. The Hasimara base is in close proximity of the Sikkim-Bhutan-Tibet Tri-Junction, which is critical in checking the Chinese Air Force activity in the region. Dassault Aviation is now upgrading the existing models of Rafale. The earlier variants of the Rafale that include the F1 and F2 were built specific to the French Navy requirement and air-to-ground and air-to-air capabilities respectively. The F3 and F3R variants of Rafale are going to have extended versatility and are fully operationalized. Indian Air Force is operating the F3R variant of Rafale. Dassault Aviation is now working on the upgrade of Rafale to F4 variant, which is going to be the most advanced version of Rafale fighter jets. The upgrade has been planned in 2 stages, F4.1 and F4.2. The F4.1 will have an upgraded radar as well as improved capabilities in the helmet mounted display and AASM 1000 kg air-to-ground modular weapon. The F4.2 will be more effective in network-centric warfare with more data exchange and satellite communication capacity. It will also have new prognosis and diagnostic aid system which can predict when the aircraft needs maintenance. This is going to ease the maintenance of fighter jets than its predecessors. It is also planned to incorporate the big data and artificial intelligence to further develop F4 into a true futuristic fighter. The Rafale F4 jets will have a new engine control unit. It will also be integrated with Mica NG air-to-air missile developed by MBDA. Last month, Paris announced that the Rafale upgraded to the F41 standard had carried out its first readiness for user review campaign. The Rafale F41 has been tested in a realistic technical operational framework for its new collaborative combat functionalities. Now, the news to the further upgrade Rafales to F5 standards has been reported by a French magazine, Zone Militaire. Vice Chief of the French Air and Space Force quoted that at the start of 2030s, the F5 standard will allow us to further improve the Rafale's first entry capacity with new sensors and arrangements, but also capacities to communicate, collaborate, and interoperable. As to what will be the capabilities available to the Rafale F5, General Parisot said that the contours of this standard have not yet been decided. However, he said in next 15 years, the Rafale will have an impressive number of capabilities, some of which we don't yet imagine. He also said that Rafale will continue to evolve, indicating that F6 and F7 versions of the fighter jet is a possibility in future. With this, I would like to end this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Jai Hind.